Back when I managed a collision repair shop, I struggled to get business in the door outside of referrals. This was back when Google was just starting out and before CarWise was a thing. If I was working in a shop today, here's how I would get more business: by using Google Business Profiles. Hey everyone, welcome to CCC's Run My Business series. We're here to share practical tips to help you run a more successful collision repair facility. Many of us at CCC have collision repair shop experience or close ties to collision repair shop owners, so we get it. Time is tight, and we're here to help you maximize your business success. Before I start, please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes. I'm Craig Stevens, and today we're focusing on how to get more customers through your door using Google Business Profiles. Think about it. When someone needs collision repair, where do they go? Google. In fact, 80% of customers research a business online before visiting it. Your Google Business Profile is often their first impression, so it needs to be top-notch. In this video, you're going to learn two things: why it's important to have a great Google Business Profile and how to claim your Google Business Profile if you haven't already done so. Don't worry, I'm going to show you two ways to do it, and best of all, both ways are free. So first, why does having a Google Business Profile matter for your collision repair facility? Here are 4 reasons. Credibility and trust. Having a claimed and complete profile adds instant credibility. Customers trust businesses with updated information, photos, and reviews. Plus, Google gives you the opportunity to respond to reviews showing your customers that you care. Customer engagement. Google Business allows you to engage directly with customers, whether it's answering questions, adding posts or updates, or responding to reviews. You can actively manage your reputation and keep potential customers in the loop. Better placement in local search results. When potential customers search for collision repair facilities near me, your facility will rank higher, the more complete your profile is. Google loves fresh, updated, and relevant information, so providing it can help your business appear in the coveted local pack on Google. The local pack is a grouping of 3 businesses that appear in search results for something like collision repair shop near me. You appear in this list on the local pack via the Google Business Directory. Insights and analytics. Once you've claimed your profile, you can get access to valuable insights. For example, you'll know how customers found your business, where they're coming from, and even what actions they took. This info can help you fine-tune your marketing strategies. Now let's talk about number 2, claiming your profile. Claiming your profile is quick and easy. Here's how you do it. First, you can visit business.google.com/ad. Enter your business's name and address, select your business from the search results, click Claim This Business, select the verification option, and follow the on-screen steps. Simple, right? Number 2, through Google Maps. Open Google Maps, search for your business, select your business from the search results, click Claim This Business, select the verification option, and follow the on-screen steps. Also easy. After this, you will need to verify with Google. You can verify your business using phone or text, email, video recording, and Google Search Console. The verification process can take up to 5 business days, so you might have to wait. That's it. Claiming your Google Business Profile is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get more eyes on your business. So what are you waiting for? Go do it now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Leave us any questions in the comments below. Also, you can find a link in the description below where you can learn more and explore some options that might be a good fit for your shop. We're always happy to help.